Have you ever turned the key but your car won't start? This can be frustrating, especially when you're in a rush. Today we'll explore faulty car starters, their sounds, locations, and solutions. First, let's identify the car starter. The starter is a small motor. Its job? To crank the engine when you start your vehicle. You'll find it near the engine, often on the driver's side. Now let's talk about sound. A faulty starter often makes a clicking noise. Sometimes you may hear a grinding sound. These noises indicate your starter is struggling. Let's break down the steps to find and fix it. First, locate the starter motor. It's typically wedged between the engine and transmission. Next, check the battery. Weak batteries often cause starter issues. If the battery is fine, inspect the starter connections. Loose or corroded connections can lead to problems. If everything looks good, test the starter. You may need a professional to bench test it. If the starter is faulty, consider a replacement. Installing a new starter only takes a few hours. Here's an example. Imagine you hear a clicking sound, but the engine doesn't crank. This indicates the starter may be faulty. After checking connections, you realize it needs replacement. In summary, understanding your car starter helps prevent trouble. Identifying sounds and knowing where to look is key. If you're experiencing issues, don't hesitate to check it out. Take action today to ensure smooth starts tomorrow. For more tips and tutorials, remember to like and subscribe.